Hi, Jonathan. So today we will be working on your IEP goals and goal number 1 and goal number 2. So today we'll be working on goal number 1, English language arts and reading, and objective number 2. So I'm going to read this story and you're going to answer a few questions at the end. Okay? You have this story in the packet, so look for it. Long ago, a witch took a baby girl from her parents. The witch named the baby Rapunzel. Rapunzel grew and grew. Her hair grew and grew too. When Rapunzel turned 10, the witch locked her up in a tower. No one found her there. The witch took food to the tower. Every day, Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair, called the witch. Rapunzel dropped her long hair without the window. Then the witch climbed up. One day, a prince took a ride on his horse. He rode by the tower. The prince hid when he heard the witch. He watched the witch climb up Rapunzel's hair. So you have 4 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4. So question number 1, what was the story about? Is it A, trucks, B, Rapunzel, or C, computers? Number 2, who took the baby away? Is it A, a bear, B, a witch, or C, friends? Question number 3. Where was Rapunzel locked up? Is it A, tower, B, house, or C, boat? Number 4. Who hid from the witch? Is it A, a wolf, B, a prince, or C, the dad? Go ahead and circle your answers. Your next assignment is goal number 2, which is also English language arts and reading, and it's also objective number 2. It's the same thing we did last time, the jungle animals, underwater animals, and farm animals. So here's question number 1. Select animals that fly. So what flies? A turtle, an owl, or a snake? What is your favorite animal? Go ahead and write your answer. Once you have finished, you can upload it to Teams, and if you can't, send it to your teacher and they will upload it for you. If you have any questions, go ahead and call your teacher. Thank you.